lento engizoyikhuluma la iningi njengoba iningi mangayiqedanga soba no part 2 mangawuqedanga nawo sibe no part 3 yabona njengoba ukhona uno right uno left okusho ukuthi naku energy udesigneke kanjalo ukuthi une personality une design unalokho ezitshela ukuthi uyikona okubonayo ngawe unalokho ongakuboni ngawe okubonwa abantu more than you okuyi body consciousness uyayizwa lonto that is why abantu bethi wena unje uphike wena ngobani kubonwa abantu more than you uyayizwa lonto alright uma ngabe kuukuthi incarnation cross it's a reason why you are here it is the energy that you bring to this world then i-profile iyini character through which we are playing that incarnation cross of yours. Yes, incarnation cross is why we are here. It's the role we are here to play. It's the energy you bring here. But the profile, that's what sets you apart from someone else who is having the same incarnation cross as yours. Lalela ngikutshela ngoba angifuni ukuthi wenze ama mistakes empilweni yakho are unnecessary. Uma ngabe kuukuthi ngake ngakuredela i-chart lakho noma uyayazi i-body graph yakho wake wayibona ngifuna ulalele bese uphinde ulalelisisa kahle ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazile uyabona. Lalela-ke ama profiles esinawo awu-12 that is why ngithe lento engifuna ukuyikhuluma iningi mhlawumbe ngeke ngifike kuona wonke. Uma ukuthi echatini lakho uyi-1-3 noma uyalazi chart lakho angikwazi noma uyalazi noma awulazini mhlawumbe ngakuredela mhlawumbe ngaze ngikuredele ngalithola vele i-chart noma ikuphi la ufuna ukulithola khona. Uma uyi-1-3 okusho ukuthi kwi-personality u-line 1 kwi-unconscious side okwi-design u-line 3 we-investigator i-personality yakho leyo that's what you see. We-investigator we-matia okusho ukuthi wena nansi nemelo uyiqaphela wena you are someone one-personality yokuthini kumele a-investigate abe ne-foundation yento before ayifake kuyona. Ungenzi ama-mistakes a-unnecessary empilweni yakho ngokuthi uyifake ey'ntweni ongazi-investigateile. Yes. 2 ngala on the unconscious side u-line 3 lonto isho ukuthini isho ukuthi wena ufunda ngamaphutha musu ukuzama ukwabalekela amaphutha ngoba wena you learn through trial and error uyazifaka entweni ongayi understand uthi ngizobona phambili yabo. So when you are not here to take somebody's words for them, you are here to experiment on your own. Yes, trial and error. You figure out what works by starting on working on what doesn't work, by starting on what doesn't work. Let me put it that way. So njengoba uyi-1-3 nje wenziwe ngamabomu kusho ukuthi wena kuneside ngawo elugqumahlale. Yes, lugqumahlale nje turbulence. Kusho ukuthi njengoba wenziwe kanje 1 investigator khona lezi zinto ozi-investigatayo noma lezi zinto one foundation ngazo uzokwazi ukuzi trial and error kahle usune information. Yabo njengoba uyi-1-3 kusho ukuthi iba ne-foundation ne-knowledge ngento bese uyayishaya ke lo trial and error yakho experimenta ngento osune knowledge ngayo. Other than that you'll find yourself in a pickle. You'll find yourself ngidlule lapho. Ma uyi-1-4 kuyafana we-investigator but uno-line 4 we-investigator on the personality side kusho ukuthi wena vele you need to know things on the foundational level first. You have to know things on the foundational, investigate before you engage with them. But the thing here ukuthi on the unconscious side kune side ngawe ongalinakile ukuthi wena u-line 4 we-networker or opportunist networker kusho ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukuhlanganisa abantu. Yes, we influencer, you are able to group people and influence them or like-minded people. Unaleyo nto ngawo you know into ayigcini kwena you want to externalize it to people you know, uyawazi ukuhlanganisa abantu, unento enjalo ngawe. Ipower yakho ikwi-network yakho. Check ukuthi inhloboni yabantu aba-around wena ngoba ama-opportunities akho aza through your network. If you are line 4, checka uhlobo labantu ozisurrounde ngalo because that is where your opportunities come from. If you are line 4, we are 1-4. Kushuthi 1, you investigate, you have the foundation of things. 2, you influence people with that foundation. Yes, uzobuke kumuntu onjani ongathi unolwazi lwezinto bese elidlulisela kule group yakhe noma kule network yakhe. Into ebalekile la, bheka network yakho. Is it worth it? Ngidlulele phambili. We 2-4. Ngithi 1-3, 1-4, 2-4. Sengidlulile manje ku2. Ngithi yabo sengidlulile ku1. Njoba uyi2-4 kusho ukuthi uyi-hermit. You like to be in your own cave. You like your own private space. Yes, as a 2-4. Uyi-hermit, uhlala kwi-cave. Uthanda i-aura yakho. Yes. So nje uline to i-personality yakho leyo ukuthi wena uhlala endaweni yakho. Nansi i-take away for you ukuze ungenzi ama-unnecessary mistakes. Awudalelwanga ukuhamba ungqongqozo uhambe uzifaka. Udalelwe ukuhlala endaweni yakho uze ukholwe out to go there ngoba wena une-natural ability yezinto vele. Akudingeki wena ukuthi izinto uzi-investigate noma uzi-trial and error ukuze uzibone nje yasebenza. Une-intuition yokwazi vele ukuthi lento inje. Awazi na ukuthi wazi kanjani. Uyi-line 2 ke. Uyi-naturalist omele ukwazi ngawo. Udalela ukuhlala endaweni yakho until things call you out. Yes. You don't know how you do what you do, but you do it best. Musa ukungazithembi as a line 2. On the other side, 4. Vele njengoba ngishilo ukuthi line 4 wini opportunities or networker, you are able to unite people. Futhi singakuthola unalento ye-push and pull. I want to be in my own space, but at the same time I want to be with people that close network. Ngithi yabo. So uzothola umuntu ukuthi kwi-group ukuthi pa I know this is what is going to happen. This is what is going to happen. This thing works like this. You influence people. How do you know? I don't know. But you are very intuitive. Adluleke. Uyibani? We-2-5. Imina ke loyo. We-2-5. Ma we-2-5, still we hermit. You enjoy your private space. You are intuitive. You have a natural ability. You do what you do, but you don't know how you do it. Right? But on the other side, uno line 5 fike, kwi-unconscious side, ngawe. Njoba uno line 5 nje, kusho ukuthini? Phela wena we-rescuer wena. Kuma-crisis, we are the one who is called to crisis. You are a fixer. Abantu, they always expect you to do something for them. They always expect to fix things for them. Yabo? Ungazami ke ukumeet everybody's expectation as a line 5. Don't try to save the whole world. You are not the savior. Because it's easy for you as a line 5 ukuthini ishintshe into kuthiwa besikuthemba but uhlulekile. When into ebalekile as a line 5 to have practical solutions that are implementable. Because other than that, so boguti you were trusted but the coin is flipping. You are the one who is being blamed now. And it as a line 5, you are a universalizer. You get the situation, you get the solution, and you think it's gonna work for everyone. But in the balega cool as a line 5, you are called during crisis, you are a rescuer, you go all the way out to make sure you rescue. But after you have rescued them, they will call you if sebenenkinga once again. We are 3-6. We are 3-6, okay? Lines, we are 3-5, man. We are 2-5 and then we are 3-5. 3-5, line 5, ngishiloke vele ukuthi line 5 rescuer, so we heretic, rescuer, crisis, blah blah blah. We are being called expectations, even strangers. They are comfortable. Yeah, not that virtuous thing. We are a leader, we are a teacher. If we are line 5, we are a leader, we are a teacher. But line 3, njoba ngithe we 3-5 fike. Njoba we 3-5, uyazi ukuthi 3 trial and error. Ngithi akhumbule ngikhulume ngayo, futhi wena uyi trial and error, but at the same time you are a rescuer futhi at the same time. So ufunda ngawo ini amaphutha. Don't try to run away From there, let me stop it there. Part 2 uyeza wena ngabe uline bani. Yalazi chat lakho?